So I'm using medium worsted yarn. This is from my leftovers yarn, and 5.5mm crochet hook. I'll start with a slip knot, and as usual with a triangle I'm gonna chain 2 single crochet in the first chain from the hook, or second chain from the hook. Chain 1 and turn. 2 single crochet in the first stitch, and 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1 and turn. In the first stitch, 2 single crochet, in the next 2 stitches, 1 single crochet. In the last stitch, which is this one, 2 single crochet. So basically for this triangle, what you need to know, it's a larger one, so in the beginning of the row you make 2 single crochet in the first stitch. At the end of the same row you make 2 single crochet in the last stitch as well, in each row, and the rest of the stitches 1 single crochet each. So 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet in every stitch, and 2 single crochet in the last stitch. So this triangle is good if you want to make a short bandana, like the short tail bandana, or you want to make a shawl with short tail as well, because the normal triangle will look different. So this is how the triangle looks after few rows. It's larger from the sides and shorter from the tail, as we said. This is, like I said, good for projects like a head bandana or a shawl, or any triangle depending what you want to make. This is a different option of the normal triangle, and that's it. You continue the same with as many rows as you wish for your own project, and nothing else to add or remove. I hope you find the tutorial easy and interesting. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.